everyone, welcome back. Today, I'm going to teach you how to edit green screen in Adobe Premiere Pro CS6. Go to File and import your green screen video and selected background to replace the green screen. Take note that when dragging the video into the timeline, a pop-up window will appear. Just click Change Sequence Settings to match your video. Go to Effects panel and click Video Effects folder. Find Keying and select Ultra Key. Click and drag the effect to your green screen video on the timeline. Go to Effects Control and under Ultra Key, you will see the different adjustments. Click the dropper tool in the key color and drag it to the green color in the video on the program monitor. It appears that the green background has been removed. All you can see is black background and the subject speaking. Go back to the source panel, click Project, select and drag your selected background into the timeline on video on track. Extend the background image according to the duration of your video. There you go, a nice video with green screen. Thanks for watching! See you in our last video for Basic Premiere Pro Tutorial CS6.